Bitcoin has been exactly breaking out towards the upside, breaking above that 100k price level. Now in this video, I will be explaining exactly why Bitcoin is pumping right now, what are going to be my next price targets, and what do I think is going to be happening next with Bitcoin and especially with altcoins. So this video will be a very important one. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 200 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, Bitcoin has been finally breaking above that 100k price level. We have literally been talking about this level for the last couple of days, saying that anytime soon it might be happening because a lot of liquidity was piling up above that 100k price level. We were talking about this so many times. On top of that, we were getting squeezed inside of another symmetrical triangle. I've also been talking about this exactly. And yesterday night, we just had a little bit of a catalyst, some bullish news coming in, which may have resulted in this break towards the upside and then this continuation towards the upside because of this short squeeze. Because yesterday we got this news that Trump officially announced a pro-crypto SEC chairman. So of course that is going to be extremely bullish for the Bitcoin market. And because of this, well, this short squeeze where we've been talking about for many times actually got initiated. These shorts were getting liquidated and Bitcoin just went up even higher and higher. So yeah, right now Bitcoin is trading above that 100k price level, but there is actually going to be a little bit of a warning. Yes, we are not really touching any kind of a level of resistance just yet. Also, still that price target of this symmetrical triangle is still sitting above us. That price target is sitting at about that 106.6k level, so still significantly above us. However, yes, in that short term, I am starting to get a little bit worried. Why? Because of these Bitcoin funding rates, which are spiking massively again. They are averaging about 0.1%, which is huge and very high for the Bitcoin price. We are seeing a lot of euphoria. We are seeing a lot of long positions being opened during this breakout towards the upside. And this is definitely not a bullish signal. This is definitely going to be a signal we should be cautious about. Now, yeah, do keep in mind, we are breaking above major price levels. So yeah, of course, this is a little bit to be expected that the Bitcoin funding rates are about to increase ever so slightly. So in my opinion, do be a little bit cautious. But regardless of the signal, I still do think that Bitcoin is about to be exploding even higher towards the upside. Why? Because the trend is still just very bullish towards the upside. We are getting a lot of momentum towards the upside. We've just started this month of December, which always in Bitcoin halving and election years has been a bullish month for Bitcoin. On top of that, yes, Bitcoin history is literally exactly repeating to the dot exactly. And after this break of this psychological level of resistance at 100k level, and during the last cycle it has been at 20k level. Well, during the last cycle we have seen a little bit of a consolidation over here, right? But after that consolidation we went even further towards the upside. So that is to be expected again, I think. Yeah, a little bit of a consolidation could be inevitable, but after that consolidation I do think we're going to be breaking even higher again. I mean, just look how exactly this Bitcoin price action has been repeating exactly, right? We have been seeing this uptrending market not hitting a psychological level of resistance, a huge level of resistance, then getting this correction back towards the downside, creating this symmetrical triangle with a breakdown, and then forming this higher low, and then seeing a break towards the upside. We have been seeing the same exact thing happening during the last cycle. So like we have been talking about for so many times, it was no coincidence for us that we were gonna see this break towards the upside. Anyways, yes, if history were to be an indication of what is going to be happening next, still I do think that Bitcoin is going to be headed much higher. We are literally going to be in our parabolic stage right now. Even if we're going to be zooming out on all our on-chain metrics, we are still looking very good. We are still not seeing any signal of a top. So guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming some insane deposit bonuses. And the best thing is you do not need any KYC. So everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be trading over on Blofin. No KYC is required. You can be getting a $2,000 deposit bonus with a 10% cashback on whatever you deposit. So make sure to be checking that out with that link down below. Anyways, guys, the spot Bitcoin ETF inflows are still looking very good. Yesterday, we have had another significant amount of spot Bitcoin ETF inflows, but I really think that today is going to be epic and absolutely insane. We are going to be getting the results and the information in by tomorrow, but definitely I think that the spot ETF investors are going to be getting some major FOMO and some major euphoria right now. So we could definitely see more pushes towards the upside because of these spot Bitcoin ETFs opening up again later today. So anyways, talking about the altcoins, well, Ethereum has been lagging behind just ever so slightly in the short term, while Bitcoin has been pushing towards the upside. Of course, this is to be expected because Bitcoin has just broken above that 100k price level, but I do think that Ethereum is about to follow anytime soon. Yes, we are getting this massive inverse head and shoulders breakout towards the upside right over here. We are getting a retest and right now continuation towards the upside. So if we are going to be having a look into our official price target of this Ethereum breakout towards the upside right now, we can be having a look in towards a price target of 4.8k getting reached, which is exactly going to be confluencing with that previous all-time high for Ethereum. So let's see if we can be breaking above that previous all-time high. If we are going to be breaking above that previous all-time high, we are going to be headed much higher. I think my target for this cycle is going to be around the 7k to 8k for Ethereum this cycle. So yeah, I think that anytime soon Ethereum is about to be catching up massively with the market. Whenever Ethereum is going to be breaking above this downtrend over here, that's going to be the moment where Ethereum is going to be absolutely exploding, and especially the altcoins are going to be exploding, because if Ethereum is going to be going up like crazy against the Bitcoin pair, the Bitcoin dominance is going to be falling significantly, and a lot of money will start to flow from Bitcoin in towards these altcoins. Altcoin season will definitely 100% be here, and all of our altcoins will explode. Now, of course, while Bitcoin has been breaking above that 100k price level, it has been sucking up all of the liquidity from the crypto market. So it of course was to be expected that in that short term the Bitcoin dominance is rising ever so slightly, but still the major trend is being shifted from the upside right now towards the downside. So right now we are seeing a major trend shift. So I definitely do think this is going to be continuing with some more crashes towards the downside, and yeah, altcoins really exploding. So yeah, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.